Okay, so another question that we got asked was, how do batteries work? Now, batteries were actually, the first battery was invented in 1800 by somebody called Alessandro Voltaire. Now, he was Italian and he was a physician, and he created a battery by putting discs of zinc and copper with soaked cardboard which should be soaked in salt water, in between one another, and stack them up to create a battery, and that's why we have volts, or what is called volt. We're going to use a battery, but I'm going to show you a little bit as to how the electricity is conducted as well in this experiment. So what we've got is some water. I've got some electronic wires with crocodile clips attached to a battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap that round so you can see the light bulb, and I'm going to attach it to the battery. Now, batteries inside of them have lots of positive and negative ions that are moving around all over the place. Okay, so what they're stored in is something called an electrolyte, which is a liquid. So in here at the moment, you've got the current which is passing through. Now, the bulb isn't lit up at the moment. However, if you add some salt into the mixture, you'll see that the salt helps create that electrolyte and helps for the battery and those ions to pass through the water and to create that circuit. You can see how the bulb's burning brightly. And the more salt you put in, the brighter the bulb will burn. And also what you then get is a reaction from the cables on the end. Okay, so what's happening here is that you've got the electric current, which is normally carried by the electrons, but in an electrolyte, which is what now this is, the ions can carry a current. So the ions and this is now acting as an electrolyte to carry those ions around to complete that circuit. So that is how a battery works, is using those currents. Okay, fab.